Google's best video AI model is sitting behind a premium label that most people never needed to pay for. I've pulled over 50 clips out of Veo 3.1 without spending $1, no watermark, no expiring trial, no shady workaround. Just 7 real, still working doors into the same model everyone's paying for. If one of them caps out on you, you've got 5 backups ready to go. Let's get into it. Method 1. Google Flow. Start here because it's the most direct. Head to Flow and sign up with a fresh Gmail. You'll land 50 credits on the spot, and they top up daily. Open a new project and drop in your prompt. You'll notice several models sitting side by side. Google Omni, which renders up to 10-minute videos and can even carry your face through the scene, and Veo Lite, built for speed without losing much polish. Here's the part people skip. Every model drains credits differently. Veo 3.1 Fast alone will eat 20 credits in one generation. Stick with Omni or Veo 3.1 Lite. Visually you're barely losing anything, but you stretch your daily allowance way further. Hit generate and let it render. What comes back genuinely looks studio-made, camera movement, lighting, the works. Bonus, keep an eye out for Google Student and Educator offers. I claimed one last year and I'm still riding on 1,000 free monthly credits across Flow, Gemini, and the rest of Workspace's AI tools.
The greatest mistake people make is waiting for the perfect moment.
Method 2. Google Vids. Search Google Vids. It's Google's cloud-based editor, and they've made the whole thing free with AI baked in, Veo included, just with a capped quota. Sign in, start a blank project, name your file, then look at the right sidebar for the Veo option. From there you can generate straight from text or from an image, and even lock in ingredients so your characters and scenes stay consistent across clips. Drop your prompt, pick your aspect ratio, hit generate, download straight to MP4 when it's done. You get roughly 10 free renders per account, and yes, a second Gmail resets that counter. Method 3. Google Opal. This one's the sleeper pick. Opal is technically built for prompting your way into mini apps, but almost nobody realizes it can spit out Veo videos with zero app building required. Sign in, hit create new, then look to the right sidebar for agent. That opens a drop-down with Nano Banana, Images, Audio LM, Voice, and Veo. Select Veo. Paste your prompt in, but don't rush the generate button. Jump into advanced settings first and lock your aspect ratio, then back out to preview. Confirm your prompt is actually sitting in the box. It's easy to lose it mid-setup. Then generate. Render time sits around 10 to 15 seconds. It's got limits, but it's a genuinely underused way in. Method 4. Adobe Firefly. Search Adobe Firefly and set up an account. This is Adobe's full creative suite with AI folded in, and the model lineup is stacked. Veo, Kling, C-Dance, all in one place. From the homepage, click Generate Video. Paste your prompt, then work through the sidebar. Pick Veo 3.1 as your model. Choose 720p or 1080p. Set your aspect ratio, and pick a duration anywhere from 4 to 8 seconds. Drop in reference frames if you've got them. Generate, and you're looking at genuinely polished, ad-ready output. Firefly's one of the more consistent free doors into Veo. Method 5 of Arena AI. Last one, and it's the wild card. Arena is a model testing platform. Search for Arena AI and head over to the homepage, select Generate Video, and describe your scene. It renders 2 variations per prompt, so you're picking the stronger of 2 takes. The catch, you don't choose the underlying model up front. It only reveals what generated your clip after you leave a rating, sometimes Kling Pro, sometimes May, depending on the run. Worth keeping in rotation purely for the double output format, even with that blind spot. 5 doors, 1 model, 0 excuses to keep paying for Veo access. If one caps out mid-project, you've now got a rotation built in. Drop a comment if you're running a method I didn't cover. I read every one of them. And if this saved you some money, you know what to do. Like it, share it with someone still paying for Veo, and subscribe if you want more of this every week. Good luck, creators. Catch you in the next one.